Hi Panthers! I'm going to tell you today how to search our library catalog for books that you might want to read. So first thing is you'll want to go to the fcps.edu website. Once there, you're going to want to click on the library button that's in the top blue bar. Scroll down and click on Go to the FCPS Library Catalog. You can access the Glasgow Middle School Library by just clicking on Middle Schools, but the best way to interact with our library catalog is to log in the upper right corner. So you're going to click that login button. You're going to ignore what this says about the Destiny account, so we're going to leave that alone, and we're going to click on Fairfax County Public Schools over on the left side. Once there, you're going to get your Access Manager, so you're going to type in your user ID number, which should be your student ID, and your password. And now you are logged into the library catalog, so you should see Destiny Discover once you log in. So scrolling down, there are several different ways you can search through our resources. So these are learning links. So these link to a lot of different ebooks and different database type of tools. Mackinvia you should be familiar with. This is a really fun site. This is our Glasgow Middle School Library website. So you're definitely going to want to check that out, and you can see all of the different activities and informational things that we have over on the left side. So you'll definitely want to check out the different parts of our Glasgow Middle School Library website. Scrolling down, if you like to read a specific genre, you could just simply click on that genre and see what books or ebooks we have. So you'll notice we have over 200 graphic novels. So you can see like this is an ebook, so this would be available on Mackinvia. The same with this one. Scrolling down, it says in. This one says in. They have sublocations, so therefore these would be books that we actually have in the library. So if you wanted them, because they are in, you could just come get them, or you could put them on hold, which it will then flag you in your menu here and tell you that your hold is ready and you can stop by the library and come pick it up. Going back to Destiny Discover, going back to graphic novels, those are ways that you can put books on hold and locate whether they are in the actual library or in Mackinvia. If you click on the title, it'll give you a little bit more information about the book, and you may also like, so if you like this one, then you may also like some of these over on the right. Okay, so that's how to do a search based on genre. Looking down, you can just see some popular titles that are popular within Glasgow's Destiny account. You also see the ebooks that we have available to, audiobooks, and collections. Collections are a really great place if you're really not sure of a title or an author that you want to read. So here you're going to look through the collections, and you're going to see different collections that we have created, the librarians at Glasgow have created for you. So you would just find one of these that you might be interested in reading about. We do have some nonfiction topics that teachers ask us to create collections for, but we also have some that if you want to read about either nonfiction or fiction on those topics, you can do that as well. So once you click on a collection, you can see the different links that we have. And then these are all digital on this particular one. So then when you click on it, it will take you to the digital resource. And then you would open it. You could read about, yep, that sounds good. I want to open it. And then now it's going to take me to Mackinvia because that's where this one is stored. Okay, so that's how you would use the collections. The FCPS, these were created by librarians throughout our entire system. So you might see some books in these collections that you would be interested in reading as well. So you have access to both of those. You can always get back to Destiny Discover by clicking on your hamburger menu and going back to the original homepage. Now, the other way to search is if you actually knew the title of a book that you wanted to read. So you would search Crossover. You'll notice that this copy of Crossover is out. It's the graphic novel. If you wanted to check it out, then you would just click on Hold, and then it would put it into your holds list. And then when it becomes available, you will see a little number up in the upper left corner to tell you that it's available. If you'll notice here, this is an ebook. So that means we have that copy on ebook. So you could always check and see if you can read it now on the ebook if it's not in the library. If you know an author that you want to read, then you might type in the author's name and you can see what books we have in the library that are featured by that author. Okay, so you'll notice that some of these are in. This one is in, but we also have this one in Spanish on MacAnvia. This one is also in Spanish, but the actual book is in the library. So that's how you tell the difference by looking at those sublocations. Okay, the library book is actually checked out. Okay, so that's how you would check on different authors or different book titles. You would just type those in up there in the top search bar. Okay. Alrighty, so that's how you're going to search for books through our library catalog. Using the library catalog, it tells you what books we have available both within the library itself and what books we have available online through MacAnvia. Hope this was helpful. Please reach out to Ms. Sands or Ms. Cannell if you guys have any questions about how to use the library catalog. Have a great day.